Hello and welcome to this video on demonstration of Local Area Network Trainer, also known as LAN Trainer. In this video, I'll explain the kit, the hardware and software setup for LAN Trainer. LAN Trainer is also used to configure different topologies and test variety of network protocols. Topology means the physical configuration of nodes, and protocol means a set of rules to be followed by all the machines on a local area network. As we know, we have three major topologies: bus topology, star topology and ring topology. And all three topologies have its own protocols working on local area network. Let me introduce you to the LAN Trainer system. As you can see, there are three topologies: bus topology, star topology and ring topology. Any topology can be configured with number of machines connected to the central part using LAN cables. We can test variety of protocols respective of the different topologies. If you connect star topology, we can measure performance of stop and wait, go back and selective repeat protocols. With the help of ring topology, we can measure performance of token ring. With bus topology, we can measure performance of token bus, as well as we can perform experiments like Aloha, slotted Aloha, CSMA, CSMA-CD and CSMA-CA. We can also perform few experiments of application like encryption and decryption of data at application layer. To perform the experiment, we need LAN Trainer system, that is local area network trainer, LAN cables and number of computers with Ethernet card installed on it. Let us see an example. For an example, I want to connect all the machines in a star topology. Then at least we need to take 2 or 3 machines, use LAN cable to connect machines from its Ethernet port to the Ethernet port of the LAN Trainer. You can connect up to 6 machines in star topology, but for experiment purpose, we can have at least 2 to 3 machines for protocol testing. This is regarding hardware part. Let us now talk about software part. LAN Trainer system will act as a central device and will control the topology and protocols running over a network. To configure the same, we need a software. For this particular setup and the brand, the software called LSIM is provided, having 2 versions running on a machine. One, a server part and a client part. We have to configure at least one machine as a server and remaining all as clients. LSIM software is to be installed on all the machines with either client or server configuration. The next part is to bring all the machines on a same network, that is a part of a LAN, local area network. For that, we have to configure IPs to bring all the machines on a common network by configuring it in any of the classes of the IP addressing A, B or C. After configuring IP addresses, we need to check the connectivity using ping command between each and every machine through the central device. Here we are with some live action. As explained earlier, we need to configure the kit with LAN cables. As you can see, star topology is used to configure 3 machines using LAN cable in a network or a LAN. The very next task is to configure the IP address such a way that all machines belong to a same network. Here we are. As you can see, this machine is having IP address 8.3, that is 192.168.8.3, that is a class C IP address. And next to it is having 192.168.8.2, and the last machine that you can see is having IP address 192.168.8.4. So as you can see, this is a complete setup for LAN trainer system. All the machines belong to a class C IP address. The network ID is 192.168.8.0 and 3 machines are a part of 8.0 network. The next task is to install and execute LSIM software, server on one machine, clients on 2 machines. The central machine is configured as a server and left and right machines are configured as client. For the ease of setup, I have already installed server and client software on respective machines. Let us start with the client part. First of all, we have to open LSIM software on client side on either side. Here we are. As you can see, it will not show anything until we switch on the server. Here we are focusing on a central PC having server file installed on it. As soon as we start the server, it will ask for the type of network, LAN or WAN. Here we have LAN. Then we have to select the speed of the network, 100 Mbps, 1 Gbps and so on. We are selecting the basic one. We are giving OK here. As soon as you configure this, you will be prompted for configuring topology. As we know, we have configured these machines in star topology. The protocol, any protocol you can select for testing purpose. Let us say stop and wait, and then you have to click on create network. As you can see, being a central server, it will show you the ID of the remaining 2 clients, 8.3 on left side and 8.4 on right side. Let us see the situation on the client part. As you can see, we will be able to see the same window on either client sides. Here it is showing IP address of server 192.168.8.2 with port address is open, the status is connected and the remaining details. So we are good to go for protocol testing. To learn more about LAN trainer system and protocol testing, you are requested to go through the subsequent videos. Thank you. If you like the video, kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of the next videos.